Hello, good evening, friend. Now, today I am going to explain that is the isomerism in coordination compound. So, let us see that is how to study the isomerism in coordination compound. Isomerism in coordination compound. Dear students, to understand the isomerism in coordination compound, first of all, you should know what is the isomerism. Okay, first of all, you should know the basics of isomerism. That is what is the definition. So, in the 11th standard also we have already studied the isomerism. So here I am writing. You can see isomerism, meaning of isomerism. So isomerism means same molecular formula. Same molecular formula. Okay, same molecular formula. That is, two or more than two compounds is having same molecular formula. But what is happening, student? But what is there? But different properties. But there is different properties. Different properties. So if the same molecular formula is there, but the properties are different, so these kind of compound are known as what? Isomers. Okay, these kind of compounds are known as isomers. And since they are the isomers, maybe more than one, two, three, so conversion from one form of another form of the isomers is known as isomerism. Okay, isomerism and conversion. So again you have to understand that is what is meaning of isomerism, student. If the two or more than two compounds are there, okay, two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula but different in properties, are known as isomers, and process of conversion from one form to another form is known as what? Isomerism. Now student, firstly you can ask that is why different properties? If the molecular formula is same, why the compound is having the different properties? That the different properties, if you say, that is cause of different properties. This is the definition offered. Here I am writing causes of different properties. Why? If the molecular formula are same, so why the properties are different? That reason we have to write. Why the properties are same? So two reasons are there for the different properties. There are two reasons are possible. First reason is what is? That is different structure. Due to different structure, what is cause? First is different structure. Possibilities is there. What possibility is? That they could have different structure. That is first possibility is what, student? That could have the different structure. A second is what is? Different orientation. Different orientation. When you are talking about different orientation, or you can say that is different position of molecule. Okay, different position of molecule. Different position of what? Molecule. So that you have to keep in mind. That is the first of all we studied the isomerism. I told you two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula. Okay, same molecular formula but differing properties are known as isomers, and process of conversion is isomerism. Why they are having different properties? There is two reason is there. First one, different in structure. First reason is they have given what is the first reason, student, if you are going, that is different in structure, and second one is different in the position or orientation of molecule. Of different in structure, if there is, student, if different structure is there, so what you can say, student, if different structure is there, so that is known as structural isomerism. That is known as what, student? Structural isomerism. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Structural isomerism. So what is structural isomerism, student? They are having different structure. Now if the different orientation is there, different position is there, student, so that is what is known as was stereo. STERI, stereo isomerism. Stereoisomerism. That you have to keep in mind, student. First of all, what is the chart I am saying, student? Firstly, isomerism, two or more than two compounds having same molecular formula but different properties. Different properties is there, that is known as what? Isomers. And process of conversion of one isomers to another isomers is known as isomerism. different properties in the isomers will be what is would be the cause of different properties in isomers. There is two causes. First is it can have the different structure, or it can have the different position of molecule. If the different structure is there, so isomer is known as structural isomerism, and different position is there, so that is known as stereoisomerism. Now let us understand one student, that is structural isomerism we will study first, then we will go the stereoisomerism. So first one is, what is student? We are taking about structural isomerism. Structural isomerism. So when you are talking about structural isomerism, student, so what is structural isomerism? They have the different structure. That is the what we have to key point is two. I am writing the definition. When two or more than two complex, more than two complex having same molecular formula, having same molecular formula, but what is different is, but different in properties, different in properties is known as what, student? Is known as structural isomerism. Okay, is known as structural isomerism. Okay, that you keep in mind. So structural isomerism, when you are going to explain students, so that is they are having the same molecular formula. When two or more than two complex having the same molecular formula but different in properties are known as structural isomerism. अब structural isomerism are there, generally there are so many types are there, but in our syllabus there are only 4 types we have to study. The first one is the ionization. Ionization isomerism. Second one is the hydration isomerism. And third one when you are going, student, this is known as what? Linkage isomerism. Okay, and last one is coordination isomerism. Okay, coordination isomerism. So structural isomerism are 4 types, students. That is, first one is ionization isomerism, hydration isomerism, linkage isomerism, and coordination isomerism. So let us go and one by one let us study, student. What is this? Is ionization isomerism is somewhat quite important also. Here is the ionization isomerism. So when you are talking about ionization isomerism, okay, so they are having the different ions, student. When you dissolve in water, it is capable to give the different ions. So whatever the ionized ions are there, if there is a different ionized ion, so that kind of isomerism is known as what? Ionization, isomerism. So what is there, student? These type of structural isomers have, these type of structural isomers have what? Different number of ions, or different types of ion. Okay, these two things you have to keep in mind, student. That is, firstly you keep in mind that is different number and along with the different type also, because if anyone is missing, because on the basis of both they ask the question, if one is missing, that can create the problem. For example, let us go with the example. Okay, what is meaning of the different number? If they are talking about different number, so different number, what could be, students? Suppose one Br is there, and it can be Br2 also. So two number. And different ion, if you talk about the different ions, if you are talking different ions or different types of ion they are talking, So you can say that is SO4 2 minus is there, and then you can say that is Br is there. Okay, so different, what is there, anything is changing, anything is changing like this. So this is the example of the ionization isomerism. Okay, now let us understand with the help of example. I hope the definition will be clear to you. Okay, so example number, you take the example number 1. Okay, so we are having CuNH3. How many types, student? 5 types, and BrSO4. This is the molecular formula, MF molecular formula. Now if you see the coordination compound of this, so what you will find is, student, CuNH3, how many times are there? NH3 5 times is there, and then here is Br. Okay, and outside ion, okay, outside of the coordination sphere, what is there? SO4. And similarly, if you check, student, here is what is there? NH3, this is 5 times, here is SO4 is there, and outside Br is there. Okay, these two ion, these two, these are different, these are different ion, these are different ion, these are the only ionizable. Whatever they are outside, student, outside of the coordination sphere, that can be only ionized. So these are different, ion, so this is example of what, student? This is example of what? Ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. So ionization isomerism, I told you, student, they are having the different ions. Okay, whatever the ions which is going to ionize, when you dissolve, that is, this complex ion is not going to change, only this is going to dissolve in water. So this will give sulfate ion, this will give bromide ion. So this is different ion, so that is ionization isomerism. Rest of molecular formula is same, everything is same, only it is giving the different ions. That is why it is the example of the ionization isomerism. Let us understand with the one more example, student. For the better understanding, we can go for the some multiple examples. If you see one example I am giving, student, that is CO is there, and this is the ethylene diamine twice, it is here a NO2 and SCN, and then we are having Cl. Now, student, if you talk about this, so this is the molecular formula, it is not the complex. Okay, this is molecular formula. What is possibilities? What is the possibilities? First possibilities is there, CO, En twice is there, En twice, and here is NO2 dot SCN. Okay, so what will come? Ions. What will come? Ion, that is chloride ion will be dissolving in the water molecule. Here is the possibilities of chloride ion is there. What is the possible ion is, student? Here is chloride ion is possible ion. Now when you are going for the another case, let us see with the other case, student, what is possible. CO is, let us leave it out, En twice is as it is, and here is the NO2 is as it is. Okay, outside what is there, and here is Cl also. Cl is coming is inside and SCN is outside. So see here different ion is coming. Now one more case is possible, COEN twice, and here is what is possibly another is, here we can put that is Cl is there, and then we are having SCN, here is SCN, and then out of the bracket it is, that is NO2. So what you find here, student, this one, okay, this is, if you talk about this, these are the three different ion. Okay, three different ion. Okay, these three different ions, okay, will ionize. Okay, so these three different ions will ionize, that is why they are example of, hence it is example of what? Example of ionization isomerism. Okay, this you have to keep in mind, student, how to understand this ionization isomerism. If there is different ion are there outside of the coordination sphere, so it will dissolve in water and gives a three different ion. And if it is only change, what is there? Only change in the different ions. Okay, counter ion. That is why they are known as what? Example of ionization isomerism. Now let us understand the another type of isomerism, structural isomerism. What is the next type, student? Next type is hydration isomerism. So let us see, student, either you say that is hydration, or hydrate, or you can solvate, salvation, isomerism. Okay, these all are the isomerism. These all are the same name. Okay, what are the same if you talk about this one? So it is said to be, it is a special type of, it is a special type of what student, special type of ionization isomerism, types of ionization isomerism, ionization isomerism. Okay, in which, in which, in which, in which what is different student, in which there is difference in, there is difference in what, there is difference in number of water molecule, water molecule. Okay, where is water molecules outside of, outside of coordination sphere, outside of coordination sphere, that you have to keep in mind, coordination sphere. So everything will be same student, but only change will be that is in outside, outside of coordination sphere the number of water molecule will be different. So let us see with the example I am taking here. We are having that is Cr2 H2O 6 times student, and then Cl 3 times. Of this is the molecular formula, this is not complex compound. And now you check out 3, what is the possibilities isomers are there with the different color they will give. Cr H2O how many types student, this is 5 time, and Cl. Okay, square bracket close, and here will be what student, coordination number 6. So out of 3 Cl 1 is here, so Cl2 outside, out of 6 water 5 is here, so that is 1 water molecule will be there. So this, see the number of water molecule is how much, 1 H2O, 1 water. Okay, 1 water molecule. Now let us check the another example. If you are taking the chromium student, again the same. So if it is this is the chromium is there, chromium. So here is H2O how many times student, if H2O is, suppose if you are taking the H2O 4 times, okay, H2O 4 times, and coordination number is 6, so 4 already there, so Cl2 will be here. So outside of the bracket it will be Cl and 2 H2O. So you see student how many water molecule, 2 H2, 2 water molecule. Okay, now you go for the third case student. What the third case is possible, you can check it out here, that is chromium is there, H2O you put it here, that is 3 is there, and Cl is 3 molecule. So all Cl, this 3 gone, but water 6, out of 6 3 is here, so it will give that is dot 3 H2O. Now in this molecule you see how many water molecule, 3 water molecule. So in the all the 3 cases you will find that is 1 water molecule, then 2 water molecule, then 3 water molecule. So there is a change in the number of water molecule, different number of water molecule as a ligands, as a hydrated molecule. So this is the hydration isomerism. So definition can be defined in the different way, that is water is there in the as a hydrated water of crystallization, hydrated molecule, or it is also there in the square bracket, that is as a ligand. So if there is number is getting changed, so this will become the example of hydration isomerism. So in hydration isomerism, number of water molecule is getting changed in the form of water of crystallization. Here water of crystallization is 1, 2 and 3. So there is only change in the number of water molecule, rest of things are same. So that is example, that is the hydration isomerism. Now let us try to understand the next one student, that is linkage isomerism. So if you talk about the linkage isomerism students, so linkage isomerism is always given by the ambidentate ligand. Whatever the ambidentate or ambidentate ligands are there, all the ambidentate ligands are capable to give the linkage isomerism. So let us try to understand firstly, that is what is meaning of linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism, linkage isomerism. So if you are going to understand linkage isomerism student, so linkage isomerism meaning of that is, in this type of isomerism, these types of isomerism, ambidentate ligand, what ambidentate ligands what? Can bind with CMA, central metal atom. CMA, central metal atom, with with two different atom, with two different atoms is known as what, student? Is known as linkage isomerism. Isomerism linkage isomerism, that you keep in mind. अब student, firstly you try to understand this with the example, then it will be the clear. अच्छा, to understand this one, firstly you see that is ambidentate ligand, like that is cyanide is there, okay, SCN is there, thiocyanide, OCN is there, okay, or NO2 is there. So possibilities here, it is joining, here is there joining, okay. Another changes, what is changes is possible, it can bind with the NC, okay, it can also be bind with the NCS, it can bind with the NCO, and it can bind with the ONO. So you check like this, okay, you check like this. So here what will happen, student, here what will happen, these are the ions are there, okay, these are the ions. So here binding atom is C and here is N. So what is different? NC both are same, but what is difference? Linkage is different. Here link will be with the carbon and here link with the nitrogen. So if there is only difference with the linking atom, then it is known as what? Linkage isomerism. Okay, you try to understand with the help of example, students. So suppose we are having the one example, I am taking here is CO, NO2 is there, okay, and NH3 how many times are there? It is 5 times. So what is happening? This is the molecular formula, keep in mind. Up now it is possible that molecular formula will be same, but what will be the different here, student? What would be the different if you talk about? So different will be the linkage ion. So how the different will be the in the linkage ion, that we have to understand. So here linkage ion is this compound CONO2. So linkage is with the nitrogen atom, and here is NH3 is the 5 times, there is no problem about here, and here is the 2 positive charge as it is. But here in the second case, you see second car, it is ONO, here is nitrogen, here is oxygen. So there is change in the linkage, there is only change in the linkage. So that is, this become the linkage isomerism, that you have to keep in mind, that here is the change only in the linkage, here is with the linkage with the nitrogen, here is linkage with the oxygen. So this is what is example of linkage isomerism. Now let us move with the another, student, that is last one is coordination isomerism, and then we will make the another video for the stereoisomerism. So here is coordination isomerism. Let us see, student, coordination isomerism. So when you talk about the coordination isomerism, student, this is also very simple type of the isomerism. It is this isomerism is arise. How this arise? Okay, this isomerism is arises how? Due to mutual exchange of ligands. How, student? Mutual exchange of ligands between anionic and cationic species, or between, here I am writing, student, you can say between anionic and cationic sphere. So this is very easy, student, that is in this case there will be the exchange of the ligand, whatever there will be the ligand, there will be the exchange. For example, you try to understand with the example, it could be more easy to understand. CONH3 is there, how many times it is there? 6 times, okay, square bracket close, and then another is there CrCN, it is there 6 times, student. So this is the cationic anionic species are there. Now what we are saying, student, what I am saying, here will be the possibilities is there. What possibilities there? They will exchange their ligand. If they are exchanging their ligand, then what will happen if they are exchanging? So it will CO will exchange NH3, CO NH3 there. So NH3 at the place of NH3 it will go, that is Cn. How many times? It is 6 times. Okay, CO Cn6. Another is there, what is chromium there, with chromium ammonia will come. So NH3 how many times, student? It is 6 times. So that is CO Cn6 3 times and CO and CrNH3 6 times. So what is different here? See, here is difference in the ligand. Difference in the ligand. Here with the cobalt ammonia is there. Here cobalt with the Cn. Okay. So this is the two example. This is the example. Okay. So here there is the exchange of the ligand. If there is exchange of the ligand is there with the cationic and anionic sphere, then this is the example of the coordination isomerism. Next, stereoisomerism we will study in the different video. Thank you so much for watching, friends.